MICROMAX Canvas 6 and let me show you how to enable airplane mode on this device. If you would like to quickly enable airplane, let's use power key, and here let's tap airplane mode. Here we've got the icon of airplane mode, and if you would like to quit this mode, let's use power key again and tap airplane mode one more time. So there is also the second way to enable this mode. Let's just use the apps icon. Here you need to find the settings, and here tap more under wireless and networks, and here you can enable or disable the airplane mode. That's it, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.